Today we are learning about the colors of fire trucks and the sounds that they make. This is a green fire truck. This is Airport Fire Rescue. It's a pretty green color. This is a red fire truck. This is a black fire truck. And this is the ladder it can raise up. This is a blue fire truck. It says Runway Rescue. This is a gold fire truck. Pretty gold. This is an orange fire truck. It says Fire Airport Fire Service. It also has a ladder.
Dispatch to Engine 5, what is your progress?
This is a white fire truck. This is a pink fire truck. And this is a brown fire truck. And here is the yellow fire truck. It says fire. Has a little ladder.